Yeah.
A lot?
No?
No.
I gotta go down the stairs. Oh, you got more water than that. Get some more. Twice that much. You just don't think about it. Get a little more water, Brian. Okay, you stand on a step here. Oh, that's good. And you have to wait till it's finished. Turn around the back now.
Uh-oh.
Don't fall down the stairs. Will you fall down the stairs?
I don't know.
He did it. 25 cents.
I do it.
Are you going to do it?
Yeah.
Hang
What's
on
for
to the
a
railing
dollar?
so you don't fall.
What's for a
Are
dollar?
you ready? Ready?
Do you know what's for a dollar? Do you know
He did it.
what's for a
Oh,
dollar?
I gotta think of something hard for a dollar.
That was easy. That was even easier than a nickel.
It was harder on Brandon than it was on you, I think.
I think the nickel.
Worst thing I can think of. The worst thing I can think of.
No.
Well, I think I just drip a little like this. And then a little. And then down the front and a little down the back. Like that for a dollar. Could you see
I
that?
got a good idea for a dollar. You have to stick your face in a sprinkler for 5 seconds.
That's a good idea.
No. Spray your face into there. No, you have to. Wait, what do we have to do for your idea?
You're going to have the pan of water and I sprinkle a little
And
here.
then it's going to drip down me? I'll do it. Whatever it takes. What's for $5?
What's for $5? He wants to know.
Oh, no,
What's for 10
dollars.
cents? What's for 10 cents?
You
We missed 10 cents.
you would torture yourself for $5.
What's 10 cents?
Go get some water in there so I can give you a dollar. Just a little
Dollar,
bit.
then 10 cents. 10 cents can't be that
Okay,
bad.
get over there.
Wait, I want to see it. I want to see it.
This is for a dollar.
I want to see it.
But
Wait.
now you can't move until I tell you I'm through. Because it's going to take a while. Okay, now real slow. You ready? This is just a little bit. And then a little bit here. And a little bit there. A little bit over there. And a little bit, but he's gutsy.
Yes, he is.
You did a dollar's worth, kid.
Yeah.
You're up. You've got a big bucket.
How much? Oh, you got a lot of water. I won't make you do all that.
Oh.
No, I'll dump some of that.
Oh, sorry. What?
All right, you ready?
Uh-oh.
This is for $1.
Yes. No, I'm not ready.
Terrible.
Turn me into an ice cube, will ya?
You did it.
Ah, yes! Yes! I passed the test! Now what?
Now what?
Now I'm broke. $1.25. You're shaking.